welcome back. Say hello as well. My best good friend. Yes, I'm on a small hike through the forest, accompanied by one of my friends, and enjoying the nature. Found a new beautiful spot here next to the tree. He agrees. So we're gonna sit down, enjoy the surroundings, sounds of the forest, and yeah, meditate maybe for a bit, read something, enjoy some time off, and relax. And as you can see, using the woo selfie stick again. Yes, beautiful. How are you doing? Everything all right? Actually sat down and enjoy some resting time of tranquility here in the forest, together with my lovely fellow over here. And I thought about and wanted to talk about and reassure myself also of the connection with nature. How natural it comes actually, and how easy it is. Yet a lot of us have to discover it again, and me included. It took me a lot of years until now, until those months and this time here, that I feel such a strong bond to nature, including these lovely fellows. They help a lot. My four-legged friends here. And I think it's some kind of hidden for a lot of us, the beauty and tranquility and help nature offers. The forest, you know. Also, nature can be destructive and dangerous, yet, like all things, it has always two sides, and the beauty of it is almost, in my opinion, unparalleled. If you really appreciate what this world has to offer, as in nature. Yes, exactly. Birds agree. It's super beautiful, and it helps me a lot on my journey, on my path of life. And I'm so grateful that over the time here in South America and my life over the last years, I discovered this beauty, this natural, organic beauty of life, of existence, you know? This tree, for example, how old is it? I don't know. And it still connects to all of it. The ground and the roots. A lot of times here you can see the roots leading meters and meters, a long distance, nurturing other plants, the biodiversity, helping each other out. And I think that is what life is all about. You know, caring for each other, yet finding a nice balance, back and forth. Huh? What did you hear and smell? And they also help me a lot, finding beauty in life. Looking around, I think he's very active. He wants to go on, hiking. Yeah, in just a little bit we continue. They help me a lot. You're coming closer. Yeah, also the smells, right? The smells of nature, the beauty of different flowers, and the tranquility it has to offer. My friends? And a lot of times, oh, so beautiful. and so calming, right? He wants to be in a video as well. Majestic, huh? Yeah, it's incredible. Hey, my friend. Yeah, showing the love, right? What do dogs really show us? The love, pure love, unconditional love. They show us unconditional love and respect. Yeah, a little bit tired? Nice, rest a bit. I mean, a lot of people have dogs, and especially here in South America. Before I came here, I had a nice connection with dogs, absolutely, and I love them. Yet, after those years here, spending more than 3 years in South America, it's a different connection and love now. Instant gratitude, appreciation of each other, you know. Actually, this is not my dog, not yet. I don't have my own dog yet. It is a neighbor's dog from one of the neighbors where I live, and yeah, I have a strong connection with this lovely fellow. Going for a hike here and there with several different dogs. Yeah, I mean it's a kind of friendship and relation that I cannot put into words, really, actually, than to say it's really life. It's life, like when I go into the forest and appreciate the birds singing, the wind rustling the leaves, and the love nature gives me, and also my lovely four-legged friends. As you can see, I'm using the selfie stick again. I think it's quite nice and helpful for recording myself here in the forest or outside when it's not that stable, even though you can see the camera might be a little bit shaky. Maybe I switch hands. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with myself, to see for myself again how beautiful it can be, how easy to connect with things around you. And if you have the chance, I can definitely recommend you going into the forest, appreciating. Ah, you heard something. Somebody's coming. Yeah, really attentive, huh? Good watchdogs. Absolutely. Yeah, there's also some mountain bikers here in the area. Saw them before. Coming up from the city, spending time in nature, also doing some sports. And today is really a lovely day. Sun is out, still a little bit cloudy, so it's quite nice for the recording, I think, for the video quality, and also to be outside in general, without the cell phone, and enjoying the nature, enjoying some good time with good friends. And if you can share that, whether it's a four-legged friend or a two-legged friend, I think it's beautiful. I think it's really beautiful. I wanted to really share that, and I will continue the hike in a little bit and spend some more time with my friend here. Alright? Yeah.